Welcome back to Unfiltered Chaos, where I give it to you raw, uncut, straight to your gut. Something real, something you can feel. Doing reaction to officer shot in the head, refuses to give up. Shout out to Midwest Safety. Let's get into it.
This officer has no idea he's about to walk right into his worst nightmare.
Sir, come here for a second, please.
For what?
Because I asked you to.
No.
Okay?
For what? What I do?
Because I told you to.
What I do?
Well, you passed that counterfeit dollar bill back.
What?
Dispatch, I'm flight 1. Behind. Put your hands behind your back. 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 Do it now. Put your hands behind your back. Get on your stomach.
I didn't even see it get to
Shots fired. Shots fired. Dispatch, I've been shot.
I'll be back as soon as I can, okay?
Give me a medic.
I've been shot. I need a medic.
You're good. I'm behind.
caught him real good, though.
I've been shot. I've been fired. I returned fire. I need medics and I need crews, please.
Give me a medic.
We need a medic.
Everybody stay inside. Stay inside.
All prisoners responded. He's been shot.
Clear the air. Keep talking to me. Keep talking to me.
Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there.
He ain't dead. He's still breathing.
I'm behind. Please hurry.
Just keep talking to me. We're on our way.
I've been shot on the left side of my head. I can barely hear my earpiece.
Okay, we're on our way. Just keep talking. We're on our way. Just keep talking.
Everybody stay inside for me, please, all right? I need you to stay right there, okay?
I'm not going nowhere.
I know you're not, and I appreciate it, okay? You're... He's got a gun under his... He still has a gun under him.
Okay, I got it. You okay?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go get him, okay?
No, just wait for more crews.
Okay.
Crew, load him in your car and go. Take him to the valley.
Nope, I'm waiting for more crews to get here.
He's still breathing.
I know he is. We got medics coming.
I got him. Okay, you're okay. Go with him.
Come on, let's go. That's my taser.
Okay, come on. Come on. We do not have him. We're going to the valley. I have him in my car. We're going to the valley. You okay? You okay, brother? You okay? You okay?
Let's get around so we can block the traffic.
Not take it down until the end. Okay. Been shot. You okay, buddy? You gonna be all right.
We're gonna take the valley until we have Here, I'm behind you. I'm following you.
Everybody shot here and on the neck.
Try not to choke him with it.
Yep. That's the gun right there.
Get some East Cruise to start blocking the ramp.
East Cruise when you enter the ramp block on 35. They're clear.
What's your name? Yeah, it's gonna hit neck here, one here, one here.
We're getting off Perry Ludlow now.
Have any other gauze or anything?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna go get something real quick.
Alright.
You got a gun on her?
Yeah, I got it in my pocket. I didn't touch it with my hands or anything.
You cleared it. Okay.
No, I haven't.
Alright, what pocket is it in?
My left pocket.
Right here?
Yep.
Alright, switch legs real quick.
I'm alright. Come on.
Hang in there, buddy.
Hey,
slow down.
Slow down. Come on, Holly.
Stay with us. Stay with us. Come
Can we get his belt off from somebody?
Yeah. I got it. Let him get through the door. We'll get it.
Don't worry about your belt, honey. We got it, okay?
We got you.
My back, please. I can't feel my arm. Okay. My left arm hurt. Can you send me my back, please?
Yeah.
Please send me my back, please. My left arm hurt.
You're okay.
Okay.
You're okay. You're okay, bud. Yeah, I see it looks like an entry and exit room movement.
He's got one on this right shoulder and it looks like one on the other.
Alright, hey guys, can we get some scene tape? Yeah. I want all this taped off. Every bit of it.
Hey, stay right here. Just stay here.
Relax,
okay.
dude. Relax.
Just stay right here.
Make sure we can get the medic in here. Don't block the roads.
Who is it? Yeah. Who? You good?
You got it.
You alright?
We got it, okay? Come on. Take care of him, okay?
That's alright.
What's his name?
No idea.
He hasn't given us anything.
We got 2 gunshot wounds.
He's alert and conscious. Yeah. He's alert and conscious. He's talking. He got shot in the head. He's talking.
What?
He got shot in the head. He's talking. He's alert and conscious.
Where you going?
Can I do the help?
Can you knock on some of these doors to get their name and where they live and if they saw anything?
Alright. Did you see or hear anything?
I didn't hear nothing but the sirens when the sirens started.
You didn't hear any shots?
I didn't hear none of that. My kids were saying they heard. I'm like, I didn't hear that. I mean, I was in the midst of cleaning up, so I didn't hear none of that.
I know you guys fire. Do you know if you hit him? Did you guys on the ground? He wasn't moving. He's on the ground. He's down. You guys are down. I don't know if he's on traffic stop. I don't know what he's doing.
It looks like an alarm complaint.
Did you know him?
That's my neighbor, so I called them up. I ain't seen nothing, I heard nothing. She should be on her way.
After the suspect is transported to the hospital in critical condition, his cousin shows up to the scene.
What's going on, man?
I just got a call. My cousin was shot from his sister.
Okay, well, you can't come in here. The crime scene. Can you go park over there for me?
Did he make it? No.
As far as I know, they're working on him. Okay.
Last I heard, he was okay. Go park over there for me, okay?
Okay. Hey.
I'm the aunt. My sister just called and said my nephew just got shot.
Okay, well, this is crime scene. You can't just go through.
Is he okay?
He's being worked on as far as I know. You can't just drive through.
Where can I park? Where can I park?
On the street right there is
Right
fine.
here.
You can wait with him.
But I can't come up here.
You can't come through right now. So that's your mom?
One person we're going to have to be worried about, his sister. She's dramatic, over dramatic. If I see her coming, I'm going to call for you.
Okay.
My mother's a drama queen too. But at the end of the day, you know what they're going to say? We need you to pay for it again. You ever heard the expression, he who wears the crown heavy is head? Head is heavy?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, it's heavy today. Tomorrow will be worse. You got mental illness too.
How old was he?
Can't be no more than 37.
If they won't let me nowhere near your house, they won't let me nowhere near your house.
Yeah.
Mama.
I don't know if the ambulance done took him or what. What they say, Nate? Jen on their way. The ambulance took him to the hospital?
Jen is the only one that can go in, and they have no information.
That was his mother. She's on her way.
Okay. If and when she gets here, I don't want her to try and just drive through here. I gotta talk to people before anybody.
You see me try.
I know.
You told me to park over here. I didn't know. I was trying to go to her house. Did the ambulance take him to the hospital? What hospital should we be going to?
At the moment, I don't know. They were working on him the last I know.
She just lost the damn child.
The suspect, 40-year-old Antwayne Lowe, survived his multiple gunshot wounds after being transported to the hospital in critical condition. The officer shot in the head. 34-year-old Thaddew Holloway also survived after suffering a gunshot wound that struck his temple, traveled underneath his skin, barely missing his skull, and exited through the back of his head, tearing a left temporal artery, a major artery supplying blood to the scalp, which caused profuse blood loss. Both Holloway and Antwayne survived due to the quick response of the police officers, effective communication by dispatch, and medical treatment by the fire department and medical personnel at the hospital. Holloway initiated the stop on Antwayne in the first place due to an investigation involving counterfeit money being used at a nearby Dollar General. After the quick struggle, Officer Holloway was incredibly alert enough to be able to return fire, radio dispatch for assistance, direct nearby civilians to safety, and stay on scene long enough for multiple officers to arrive to secure the area and provide medical aid to the suspect. Officer Holloway's actions that day have since earned him multiple awards, including the Top Cops Award and Citizens' Choice Award presented by the National Association of Police Organizations.
Now, just because somebody was passing counterfeit at a dollar store, you gonna go to the first black person you see? I don't get it, you know what I'm saying? So he about almost got what he came for. But y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. To the next one, peace, like and subscribe.